Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to mastering criminal jurisprudence. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Criminal Law and Jurisprudence, 10 Review Questions, Set 7A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Known in other countries as the body of principles, practices, usages, and rules of action which are not recognized in our country. A. Penal laws. B. Special laws. C. Common laws. D. Statutory laws. Circumstances wherein there is an absence in the agent of the crime any of all the conditions that would make an act voluntary, and hence, though there is no criminal liability, there is civil liability. A. Exempting. B. Alternative. C. Justifying. D. Aggravating. Circumstances wherein the acts of the person are in accordance with the law, and hence, he incurs no criminal and civil liability. A. Exempting. B. Alternative. C. Justifying. D. Aggravating. When the offender enjoys and delights in making his victim suffer slowly and gradually, causing him unnecessary physical pain in the consummation of the criminal act. A. Ignominy. B. Cruelty. C. Treachery. D. Masochism. 1. Who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of the revised Penal Code. A. Recidivism. B. Habitual delinquency. C. Reiteration. D. Quasi-recidivism. Alevosía means A. Craft. B. Treachery. C. Evident premeditation. D. Cruelty. The law hears before it condemns, proceeds upon inquiry and render judgment after a fair trial. A. Ex post facto law. B. Equal protection of the law. C. Rule of law. D. Due process of law. A person, if within a period of 10 years from the date of his release or last conviction of the crime of serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification, he is found guilty of any of the said crimes a third time or oftener. A. Recidivist. B. Quasi-recidivist. C. Habitual delinquent. D. Hardened criminal. A kind of evidence which cannot be rebutted or overcome. A. Primary. B. Best. C. Secondary. D. Conclusive. A kind of evidence which cannot be rebutted or overcome. A. Primary. B. Best. C. Secondary. D. Conclusive. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.